Hey guys, my name's Isak and today I'm just going to be showing you how to start cacti from seeds. Now the most important thing is where you actually get your seeds, and so I'm going to recommend ordering off of a website that specifically deals in seeds or from a local nursery or store that sells cacti seeds. I'm going to urge you to stay away from sites like Amazon and eBay for seeds, because you might find some dealers on there that actually sell good quality seeds, but in general, especially eBay, the seeds are kept for way too long before they're shipped, meaning almost none of them are going to sprout. And I've just personally had bad experiences with ordering seeds, especially on eBay, and none of them ever sprouting. So I'm going to put the site in the description where I buy my seeds, and you guys can check it out. It's a site in the UK, and I've ordered a lot of seeds off of there, so just that's the one site that I know actually gives you seeds that will sprout. But I'm sure there's a lot more out there, and I'm sure there's good ones in the US too if you're not in Europe. So basically, once you order the seeds, the method I use to plant them is just any kind of container in a plastic bag. So these are Echeveria, they're succulent but not a cactus. So I use the same method for them. Basically what you do is you just fill it with normal potting soil, your container, and you just make it moist, not dry, not wet, just a little bit moist, and then you sprinkle the seeds on top of it, on top of the soil. Then you put the container inside a plastic bag, and I just use a paper clip to close the bag. What that does is it just helps keeps the moisture level steady for your seeds. Now that's important because if you're just watering them, it's easy to forget to water them for a day or two, and the seeds are going to dry out and actually not sprout, or the little baby succulents are going to die because they dry out pretty easily. Now I would recommend leaving them in the bag for really long. Like these guys have been in here for about 6 months actually. With cacti, you just want to make sure you take them out of the bag and just get some fresh air in there every once in a while. These ones, the Echeveria, I've just left in here for months at a time, and they're doing really good. So the ones I have out here are probably too small to be in pots already, and I only realized that after taking them out. But you can leave them in the bag at least until they're as big as this guy over here, so at least for the first 6 months I would say. And that's just going to get you some good steady growth. Just keep the bag out of direct sunlight and somewhere where it gets bright light but no direct sun. Now, just to give you guys an idea how long it takes, I have this little guy over here. It's some kind of astrophytum. I'm not exactly sure what type, but it's at least over a year, probably going on 2 years. So it does take a long time for them to get any decent size at all. So I'll just show you with my hand. It's not big at all. It's like the size of my thumb pretty much. So it takes patience if you want to grow these guys from seed, but it's a really cool process because you get to watch these little green blobs turn into different kinds of cacti. And so eventually you're going to end up with something like this, which is beautiful, but let me warn you, it will take years, not months. So I hope this helps you guys grow cacti from seeds, and that you can enjoy the process and just have fun while doing it. See you around.